Why the Kingston NV3 2TB is the ultimate Steam Deck upgrade. Ever felt like your laptop or handheld is holding you back instead of powering you up? That moment when storage fills up mid-project or your favorite game refuses to fit? Yeah, we've all been there. The struggle is real, and it's slowing you down. Ever felt like your tools are working against you? Drop a comment if this sounds familiar. Deadlines looming, systems lagging, and your device heating up faster than your coffee? It's exhausting juggling files, deleting games, or waiting for endless load times. But imagine if you could take control, boosting speed and space, without diving into tech chaos. What if your next upgrade was the calm to your digital storm? Let's see how this little drive does it. Meet the Kingston NV3 2TB M.2 NVMe SSD, the compact powerhouse redefining what speed means in small-form devices. Don't let its size fool you. This drive hits up to 6,000 megabytes per second read and 5,000 megabytes per second write speeds, turning handheld consoles and Ultrabooks into lightning-fast machines. Designed for Steam Decks, ROG Ally, and SFF PCs, it's the dream upgrade for anyone craving both capacity and performance. One creator shared how it transformed his ROG Ally. Games loaded twice as fast, and I stopped worrying about what to uninstall. The 2 terabytes capacity means you can keep your full library close, while 3D and NAND technology ensures endurance and reliability under pressure. Here's one quick bonus tip. Installing it takes minutes, not hours, even if you're not a tech wizard. Imagine that instant gratification of turning your slow setup into a seamless, portable powerhouse. Stay tuned, because there's a reward waiting for you in the next part. The real magic of the Kingston NV3 2TB lies in what it feels like to use it. The near-instant responsiveness, the silent confidence, the freedom of space. Experts rave that it redefines compact computing, while influencers call it a must-have upgrade for the Steam Deck and ROG Ally. One reviewer couldn't believe how something so small could deliver desktop-level speed in your pocket. Users echo the same excitement. Fast installs, smoother frame rates, and no more frustrating storage micromanagement. Even analysts point out how Kingston balanced cost, capacity, and PCI Express 4.0 performance perfectly for everyday creators and gamers alike. Whether you're editing on the go, gaming off-grid, or simply done with sluggish drives, the NV3 makes your device feel brand new again. And yes, it runs cool and quiet, even under load. Thousands have already made the switch. Which feature would save your day? The speed, the size, or the simplicity? Comment below and tell us your favorite. Limited stock alert. These drives move fast for a reason. Join thousands who've already unlocked the freedom of true performance. The Kingston NV3 2TB isn't just an upgrade. It's a transformation for your device. Don't wait. Secure yours today and see what seamless really feels like. And here's the reward we promised. Click now to discover a hidden setup tip that makes your NV3 even faster. Don't just watch. Jump in and transform your workflow today.